What if I told you that right now in Beijing, robots are racing, playing football, collapsing mid-sprint, and even punching each other in the face? Welcome to the world's first humanoid robot Olympics, a 3-day event where artificial intelligence meets athletic chaos. And trust me, it's as fascinating as it is hilarious. In the heart of Beijing, at the National Speed Skating Oval, a venue that once hosted Olympic champions, more than 280 teams from 16 different countries have gathered. But instead of human athletes, the competitors here are humanoid robots. They run, jump, kick, punch, sort, clean, and sometimes spectacularly fail in the most entertaining ways possible.
Some of these robots move along at quite a clip.
He's even faster than me.
Others look confused. And when they crash, the crowd loves it.
The World Humanoid Robot Games 2025 are more than just a sports event. They are a stage for the world's leading robotics teams to push the limits of technology. China, already one of the most aggressive investors in AI and robotics, has poured billions into this field over the last decade. This event is as much a statement of innovation as it is a test of skill. Teams come from everywhere: the United States, Germany, Brazil, and of course China. A huge portion, 192 teams, represent universities. The rest, 88 teams, come from private companies like China's Unitree and Fourier Intelligence. Companies famous for building robots that can dance, run, and even do backflips. Many of the humanoids on the field are built by Booster Robotics, a manufacturer known for making robots agile, affordable, and resilient. And while everyone wants to win, many participants see this as a massive laboratory. Max Polter, a member of the HTWK Robots football team from Leipzig University in Germany, summed it up perfectly. He said, "You can test a lot of new ideas here. If they don't work, we lose the game, which is sad. But it's better than losing millions on a failed product." The events themselves are a mix of traditional sports and robot-specific challenges. There's football, where robots try to dribble, pass, and score, often with clumsy but determined movements. Watching a football match here is part competition, part comedy show. During one match, 4 robots crashed into each other and fell in a tangled heap, arms and legs flailing, before human assistants rushed in to stand them back up.
Even though there are some foreign teams at this event, the World Humanoid Robot Games is really a massive marketing push for China's robotics industry.
Then there's track and field. In the 1,500-meter event, robots sprint as fast as their motors will allow, each step a battle to stay balanced. Sensors, gyroscopes, and AI algorithms work in overdrive to keep them upright. Still, not every race goes smoothly. In one unforgettable moment, a robot collapsed mid-run at full speed, sliding across the track as the crowd gasped and cheered. Martial arts events are another crowd favorite. Unitree robots squared off in kickboxing matches, their movements a mix of pre-programmed sequences and real-time adjustments. Punches flew, blocks were attempted, and every now and then, a perfectly timed sweep would send one robot to the floor.
While going down for the count is all part of the fun here, the competition is fierce in the industry, and not all robot manufacturers will survive. That's despite billions of dollars pouring into robot startups as part of a push to make this country the world's tech leader. And these showdowns are more than just a gimmick. They're used to push the machine.
And yes, there's table tennis. Here, robots stand across from each other, paddles in hand, returning serves with machine-like precision, unless a miscalculation sends the paddle swinging at empty air, leaving the ball to bounce sadly on the floor. Beyond the sports, there are practical challenges designed to test how robots handle real-world tasks. Some have to sort medicines with delicate precision, a skill that could be invaluable in hospitals. Others move boxes and materials, simulating warehouse work. There's even a cleaning event, where robots navigate spaces, avoiding obstacles while wiping surfaces and picking up debris. It's easy to laugh when a robot topples over, but behind every fall is a valuable piece of data. Organizers say these games are a goldmine for research. A football match trains multi-robot collaboration, skills that could be used in factories where robots work together on assembly lines. Track events improve balance algorithms for robots that might one day navigate disaster zones. Combat sports sharpen reaction times, which could be crucial in dangerous or unpredictable work environments. For China, this is about much more than medals. It's about showing the world that it can lead in the next industrial revolution. In the race for robotics dominance, countries like the US, Japan, and Germany are strong competitors. But events like this give China an opportunity to showcase not just its technology, but its ability to scale innovation rapidly. Of course, challenges remain. Battery life is still a major limitation. Many of these robots can only operate at peak performance for 30 to 45 minutes before needing a recharge. Unpredictable environments can throw off sensors, causing sudden stumbles or missteps. And durability is always a concern. A hard fall during a football match can damage expensive components. But these obstacles are shrinking year by year. Every test, every match, every failure brings engineers one step closer to creating robots that can function smoothly in our everyday lives. The same robots that trip and crash here in Beijing could, in a decade, be running into burning buildings to save lives, assembling cars with perfect precision, or even exploring Mars. And yes, there's also the entertainment factor. Imagine a future where international robot sports leagues exist, drawing massive fan bases just like human sports. Maybe we'll see mixed human-robot teams competing side by side. Maybe the robots we cheer for today will be the same ones we work alongside tomorrow. In many ways, the World Humanoid Robot Games are not just a competition, they're a glimpse into the future. A future where the line between human and machine capabilities becomes blurrier with each passing year. So yes, laugh at the bloopers. Share the clips of robots tumbling over and missing their goals. But remember, every one of those moments is a stepping stone to breakthroughs in robotics, automation, and artificial intelligence.
And winning here not only means medals, it draws attention, which can lead to greater investment, determining financial survival or death.
The first Robot Olympics in Beijing is history in the making. It's the kind of event we'll look back on years from now and say, that was the moment the machines truly began to run, fight, and maybe even dream alongside us.
If you enjoyed exploring the world of the Robot Olympics, hit that like button, subscribe for more stories on technology in the future, and tell me in the comments, would you trust a humanoid robot to work with you, or do you think we're moving too fast? The conversation is just getting started.